Jake Miller owned a small auto repair shop in Austin, Texas. Known for his honesty and skill, he preferred helping people over making quick profits. Since losing his parents years earlier, he had lived alone, quietly dreaming of having a family someday, while dedicating himself to serving his community with kindness. One rainy afternoon, a worried single mother named Sarah Collins pulled into Jake's garage with her 8-year-old son, Liam. Their aging sedan had broken down on the highway while returning from a doctor's appointment. Sarah explained she couldn't afford an expensive repair, and tears filled her eyes. Jake carefully inspected the vehicle and discovered the problem was only a damaged alternator belt instead of the costly engine failure another mechanic had claimed. He repaired the car using spare parts already in his shop, and charged Sarah only enough to cover the replacement materials, refusing payment for his labor. As Sarah prepared to leave, Liam ran back and hugged Jake tightly. The little boy smiled and said he wished every mechanic were as kind. Jake laughed warmly, but Sarah noticed something different. For the first time in years, she had met someone who cared more about people than money or appearances. Over the next several months, Sarah occasionally visited the repair shop for routine maintenance. Jake and Liam quickly formed a close friendship. They spent weekends fishing at a nearby lake, attended baseball games together, and built model cars in Jake's garage. Their growing bond felt natural, honest, and comforting. Sarah had lost her husband to illness 3 years earlier and struggled to balance work and raising Liam alone. Watching Jake patiently teach her son about engines, responsibility, and confidence reminded her of the father figure Liam desperately missed. She admired Jake's gentle heart and unwavering character more with every passing week. One evening, after Jake repaired Sarah's car for the final time before a family road trip, they shared coffee outside the shop as the sun set over Austin. Liam played nearby while laughing with neighborhood children. The peaceful moment gave Sarah the courage to ask a question she had carried for weeks. Looking directly into Jake's eyes, Sarah smiled nervously and said, "You've become the person Liam trusts most. Would you like to be my child's father?" The unexpected question left Jake speechless. She quickly explained she wasn't asking for pity or financial support, only for the chance to build a real family together. Jake quietly reflected on every memory they had shared. He realized he already loved spending time with Liam and deeply respected Sarah. Rather than answering immediately, he gently took Sarah's hand and admitted that becoming part of their family would be the greatest honor of his life, provided they built it with patience and love. Months later, their wedding brought together neighbors, customers, and friends from across Austin. Liam proudly walked beside Jake, calling him Dad for the first time during the ceremony. There wasn't a dry eye among the guests as the family promised to face every future challenge together with faith and unity. Jake's repair shop flourished because customers admired both his craftsmanship and his integrity. Sarah expanded her small bookkeeping business, while Liam thrived in school with renewed confidence. Their home became filled with laughter, family dinners, weekend adventures, and the warmth that comes from unconditional love and mutual respect. Years later, Jake often reflected on the rainy afternoon when a broken car pulled into his garage. Fixing an alternator belt had seemed like an ordinary job, yet it became the beginning of a beautiful family. His greatest reward was never money. It was hearing Liam proudly introduce him to others as his father.